they were making these kind of things.
Yeah.
For many years, Spaniard guys, they believe that this was a small fruit. That why, you know, it's a fruit. It has some like a pigment in there, and means that it's gonna get the color. And they were selling as a fruit back in Spain until they realized it was not fruit. It was a parasite, a little bug. And you know, it's quite interesting why they had so bright color if they just eating this cactus. If you cut the cactus, it's not red inside. It's just normal. It's just normal green. Like you press this one, you will see it. You will see that it's kind of purple one, and I guess it's like a blood. But the interesting part for me is like again, why tone that color eating just this cactus? So nowadays also, and it's not sour.
Correct.
It's sweet. Yeah, maybe we can try next days.
Do you want to go get a picture in that little heart?
Local guys, long time ago, before to use as a coffee, they used to take these ones as a way that it was a fruit. Just go in the direction from Cusco, the main one, let's say 4 of them, really big royal ones, and we just go in different direction. So the Inca Trail was discovered last year, like as I said before. We have avocados. I will put this down, okay? And this is different forms, like a faces, like a kind of different ones. It's not like a just normal flower.
It looks very delicate.
Yeah, these guys like to pet, you know, someone to put them. have a picture, guys. Have you seen? For us, it means a good luck. White color used to be part of the Inca movement, but the color black used to be a really important and nice color.
Yeah.
So we still have it that really. So Sergio our cook is making some fun bananas, some fancy stuff.
And yeah,